In today's video, I'm going to teach you optimizing your Google Sheets workspace involves improving the visual layout, enhancing the sheet's performance, speed, and streamlining team collaboration. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start by maximizing your visual workspace so you can see more of what matters. When you want a clean, focused view, toggle the top menus on the formula bar with the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+F on Windows or Chrome OS, or CMD+Shift+F on Mac. This instantly gives you more room for your data. If the formula bar still feels too tall, hover over its bottom edge and drag it up to minimize it when you're not editing a long formula. For even more space, switch your browser into full screen mode, typically by pressing F11. Then, adjust the zoom to fit more columns and rows on screen. You can use the zoom setting under View in Google Sheets, or your browser's zoom controls. Finally, keep key information visible with Freeze. Go to View, then Freeze, and lock the top row, a header column, or both so your labels stay in place while you scroll. Next, let's enhance performance and speed. Large or complex files can slow down, but a few habits help a lot. First, delete unused cells. Remove long stretches of blank rows and columns so the sheet isn't tracking unnecessary space in memory. Use volatile functions sparingly, especially importrange and indirect, because they force frequent recalculations. When formulas get long and nested, break them into helper columns so each step is simpler and faster to compute. Be selective with conditional formatting. Too many rules across wide ranges can add noticeable lag. If a value is final, replace the formula that produced it with a static result. Copy the cell, then choose Paste Special and paste values only. Whenever possible, reference data on the same sheet instead of pulling from other files, which reduces external calls. And if a single file becomes unwieldy, split it into smaller files by year, project, or team to keep everything snappy. Finally, streamline collaboration and workflow. Use comments and it mentions directly in cells to give feedback, ask for input, or assign follow-ups. This keeps the conversation tied to the data. Organize shared work in shared drives so permissions are consistent and everyone sees the latest version. Explore add-ons from the Google Workspace Marketplace to automate routine tasks or connect to the tools your team already uses. Speed up file retrieval with advanced search in Google Drive by using precise operators to filter by type, owner, or date. And when you're ready for deeper automation, Apps Script can create custom functions or handle repetitive processes. Test on a copy first to be safe. Apply these practices together, and your sheets will look cleaner, run faster, and support smoother teamwork. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.